Nobody will ever believe your age. With this treatment, go on and add few drops. Nobody will tell your age. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, nobody will ever believe your age. Just only one drop can go a long way. This is purely natural. All the ingredients are found in the kitchen. You can get it from the supermarket. You can order it from the organic shops online. You can also make it yourself. Yes, you can make it yourself right in the kitchen. So one of the oils, I made it myself, is a DIY oil. And I just love it because it helps greatly. You can mix it into your cream and you get perfect results. Your skin will be glowing and glowing and glowing. So go on and subscribe if you love natural beauty tips. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Just press the like, give this video a like. So without wasting time, I'll go on and tell you the ingredients I used here. You can see the color looking so beautiful. Yes, this is so nice. You can never tell my age. If I tell you my age, you'll be so surprised. And that is because I use natural ingredients to take care of my skin. It's not as if to take care of my skin. It's not as if I don't use soap. I don't use lotions. I make use of them. But one thing you should know is the foundation. Take care of the foundation, like use the right scrub, natural scrubs. Use the right facial masks, facial treatments to take care of your skin. Then any other products can work on your skin. And that is because whenever you take care of your skin, there won't be any dead skin cells that will block your skin from working. Okay? So here is argan oil. This is purely natural. Though I got this from the supermarket, I can make it myself. I've not really thought argan oil is sold in the supermarket. You can get it there. So argan oil is so very nice for the skin. It contains loads of vitamin E that is very important for the skin, fighting aging signs. Aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines. If you go out there with no makeup and your skin will look so beautiful and younger. Argan oil is a very light oil as well. It tightens the skin. It firms loose skin. If you have loose skin, it helps to tighten a loose skin. It gives you a younger appearance that stays longer. With consistency, of course. So just get your almond oil and it will help a lot. So another one is aloe vera gel. And that is because aloe vera, and I made use of aloe vera in this treatment because it's so nice. It's for all skin types. Apart from aging, apart from taking care of wrinkles, fine lines, making sure they disappears, another thing it can do for you is keeping your skin well moisturized, like keeping your skin very supple. Your skin, it will build the skin's elasticity, keeping your skin tighter and firmer. So this can also take care of stretch marks. It can also take care of cellulites, but not in this way. There's how to mix it with something else to take care of your stretch marks. So if you want to watch my stretch mark videos, just check my channel. I have lots of stretch mark videos with different ingredients, not only one ingredient, different ingredients that will help you greatly to reduce those stretch marks, and with consistency, it will disappear. So this particular video is about aging skin. It's about removing of wrinkles. Adding aloe vera will help you greatly to achieve younger skin. Your skin will look flawless, your skin will look supple, your skin will glow and look so well moisturized. So here comes my DIY oil. Yes, DIY oil. You can see it, you can see the color looking so attractive. Yes, and this is papaya oil. Depending on the oil you use in making it, there are different oils, different carrier oils you can use in making your DIY oil. Using papaya is a fruit, okay? So papaya is a powerful enzyme that reverses aging skin, that reverses your age. It makes you age backwardly. Thanks to the antioxidants it contains that helps you greatly to achieve younger skin. It gets rid of wrinkles, fine lines. Applying it on your skin or eating it will help to make you stay healthy and younger. So I made an oil using papaya. I made this of 3 oils here: sunflower oil, almond oil, and one other one. So if you want to know my papaya video, so if you want to know how I made papaya oil, check my channel, it's right there. So this oil will just glow your skin to keep your skin looking the best and looking younger. With this treatment, people will doubt your age. So this is how to mix to get wonderful results. So what I did was I added aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon. Okay, just 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And the next thing I did was I added papaya oil, 1 tablespoon as well. So after that, go on and add your argan oil. Argan oil should be half tablespoon. Remember, the quantities are not the same. So after that, you have to mix thoroughly until the treatment forms like this. You can transfer these oils into a container, keep it in the refrigerator. It's going to harden. Or you can add a thickener, use it to make a face cream. This can be your face cream. So if you know you have oily skin, you can just not apply this on your skin, especially your face. So this treatment can be added. You can also add it into your creams, your lotions. Just add a little, about 1 tablespoon, and this will help to make sure your skin is glowing, looking younger than your age. So go on and mix this and apply it just a little, few drops. Few drops goes a long way. Okay, massage it on your skin, massage it, give yourself time, do not rush. Massage it after washing your skin, of course. So after that, you have to go bed. Just do it every night. Okay, do not apply it during the day. But in case you want to mix it with your cream, ensure that the creams or lotions contains SPF, sun protection. Okay. So this is just perfect to give you that glowing younger skin. People will doubt your age. With consistency, people will never believe that you are far older. People will never believe that you are far older than you look. So go on and use this treatment and nobody can tell your age. Store this in a cool, dry place. Apply it every night like I said, and you get full result. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.